If your soldering station is a single channel, just need to buy a standby holder separately. Practice the 210 or 115 handle. Two holders are all removable. It is very suitable for different maintenance scenes. 200 watts high powering transformer. Fast heating. Make your maintenance more efficient. Please follow AI Suntech. In the next video, we will show its functions after upgrading.